Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, rear wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front all season, LED headlights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.